Participant observation. Observation is a purposeful, systematic, and selective way of watching and listening to an interaction or phenomenon as it takes place. It helps to collect live data from natural situations. Example, one can stay in a classroom and get live information about how grammar is taught in beginner's class. Observation can be structured, unstructured, participatory, non-participatory, natural, and controlled. In case of participant observation, observer involved in situation as its usual member. Example, a researcher goes together with regular teacher to class and then she observes the student's role in that class. The students may not know that their behavior is being observed. Observer participates in the activities of the group being observed, in the same manner as its member, with or without their knowledge that they are being observed. Example, being prisoner to study about prisoner. It doesn't affect the behavioral response of population, as researcher also presents there as a member of population. This involves not a physical presence and sharing a life experience, but also entry to their social and symbolic world through learning their social conventions and habits, their use of language and nonverbal communication, and so on. Role of qualitative observer can be passive participation, observe students without having connection or without enrollment in activities. Observer participation, normal introduction made with respondents, but not enrolled in their activities. Active participation, enroll in respondents' group as their member, but they have knowledge that they are being observed. Complete participation, researcher involves in all activities of students, and they don't have knowledge that they are being observed. Steps to conduct observation. Step 1. Gaining entry to the group. Take into consideration the type of group. Formal organizations require formal entry and involves letter writing, permission requests, etc., while informal organization may require different strategy. Step 2. Developing/maintaining rapport. Researcher must work hard to develop and maintain good relationship in the field, otherwise researcher could be blamed for the problems that arise in group. Step 3. Strategies for taking field notes. Keep collecting the information related to research problem without distraction while involving in group. Include description and interpretation of individuals, interactions, and events. Record time and location of observations, as well as key information. Step 4. Interacting data collection and strategies. Organizing field notes into different types of files facilitates data analysis.